My former colleagues in the head office came up with a pro rata constitution without consulting the teachers, thinking that that will create room for them to bring in their cronies to vote for them in the national elections. Now, I think that is going to be their real nightmare. I want to encourage the teachers to ensure that the branches convene a Branch General Assembly to elect the delegates who will go to who will go for the national elections to elect the national officials. It should not be just unpicked by officials of branches. The law, the KUPPET Constitution, I believe in around Articles 8, clearly specify that it is only Branch General Assembly which can appoint or which can elect the delegates who will participate in elections of the national officials. So I want to urge the branches to convene these Branch General Assemblies and ensure that they give the members a chance to elect the delegates who will vote in during the national elections. And I want to encourage teachers to campaign for these positions of delegates. These are serious positions. This will determine the direction which the union will take. So we cannot take it casually. Ensure that those who are interested to be delegates must campaign and must be vetted so that they cannot be bought when they go for national elections. I am very sure there is going to be lots of money being bought from elsewhere.